Hi, my name is Sarika. Before joining QSpiders, I don't have any technical knowledge because I am from non-IT background. After joining QSpiders, I gained technical knowledge because of the trainers. They taught very well. Thanks to all the trainers for giving me technical knowledge, and a very special thanks to Nishal sir because he guided me and helped me to get clear the mock and get placed in the IT company. And thanks to Karnika ma'am too because she taught me everything. Whenever I go and ask doubt, she will clear me. And thanks to Kohila ma'am and grooming ma'am because they helped me to go to the interview and they scheduled the interview for me because so special thanks to them also. And thank you to QSpiders and JSpiders.